Hey everyone, so I recently got the ELEGOO Centauri carbon and it has been really great so far. Nothing is happening, especially with the new upgrades. The whole printer is very good for beginners and it is such a great printer. And I printed this earlier today and got it off the printer just a few minutes ago, and I'm amazed with the quality of this print right here. It can turn, it can spin perfectly, and it's really good. Such a great quality printer, as really it can print very detailed at high prints. And just look at this vase. You can put nice flowers or anything and give it to a gift for a friend or parents. And then I printed this fidget yesterday or so, and then it came out very detailed. As you see these honeycomb here, not a single miss. And then look how detailed these came out. Not a single layer line. Such a great 3D printer. I'd prefer you to buy this over the other expensive 3D printers, which are like $1,000 or $800. Thank you for listening to my review. Please buy this printer if you want, especially if you're new to 3D printing. Just don't waste your money on those really expensive 3D printers. Just buy this instead. You can save a lot of money, and it's nice. Thank you. Have a great day.
Yo, check it out. I'm just goofing. New printer goofing. No car. Or no car. She's sticking now. This one didn't stick. That little thin one, I had to stop it. Oh, she's done. She's done. Gonna give her a minute to breathe. Get herself back in order. She gotta take a little poop back there. Alright. Here we go. And really don't want to touch the printer bed. Oh, she's hotter than usual. Let's let her cool down. She's hotter than usual. I'm gonna let her cool down. Just new printer goofing.
Okay, so 24-hour in, the printer just completely shut off. Kept the shake on the print, and it's completely. The only thing I was able to hear was the fans and the screen. Nothing on the screen. Try to reboot it, turning it on, turning it off. Nothing is happening at all. You can see the lights on, but there's nothing, no activity at all on the screen. It's completely gone. It's only been 24 hours since I got this printer, and it's already broken out. I've never seen that before. I just figured out how I'm gonna be able to return this thing back to Amazon. It's ridiculous.